south, guys.
26 Cole Witt involved also in
Those
this
four off.
Looks like Kyle just got a little bit loose. He was down on the inside. Trying to get all he could down there. Warrior just clipped him. Just barely caught the front. Did a lot of damage.
This got to be close for Gordon.
Right here in front of him.
Still there, man. All good. Keep coming. Still inside. Nope. Oh, stay low, stay low.
Caught a view of Joey Logano going past the spinning Boyer car.
See right there some contact between Joey Logano. I think it was Danica Patrick. He's reporting a tire rub from that. Let's see who that was Cole Witt ran into.
I think he got the inside wall.
I believe he ran into the back of a car I saw. He had
Did he?
back end lifted up on somebody and ended up down there at the wall.